Guys, welcome back to AppIQ. Now, did you know that you can change the custom symbols on your keyboard? Now, let me show you what I mean. If I swipe up and tap in the search there, you can see if I click the exclamation sign, the hashtag, and the number one, you can see that I have a bunch of custom symbols there. I'm talking about the hat, the hashtag, the dollar sign, the modulus, the and so much more, right? So if you want to change that, I'm going to show you how you can choose what to go there, right? So let me click on settings, and that's where you want to go. Click on settings, click on general management, click on the Samsung keyboard settings. From here, scroll all the way down to where you find custom symbols. So tap on that. Now from here, you will see a bunch of different custom symbols at the top there that you can choose to replace. So you can select the ones that you want, then tap on your keyboard and it will replace that one. So let's say if I want to replace the asterisk on my keyboard originally with, let's say, a hashtag. So I can select the hashtag, then tap on the asterisk, and as you can see, it disabled it and now enable the hashtag for me. You can do this, play around with the ones that you want, guys. Or if you somehow play around with it and you realize after a time that, hey, I don't want this, you can always come back, hit the reset button on the upper right hand side, and it will reset back to its default. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.